throughout September by using your Caesars Rewards card. Every Saturday, take your shot at winning free bonus play, all-inclusive trips to Caesars destinations, or you could drive off in a new Chevy Silverado. Scioto.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Meteorologist McKenna King.
This report is sponsored by Buffalo Wild Wings.
Join us at Buffalo Wild Wings for buy one, get one half off traditional wings every Tuesday and buy one, get one free boneless wings every Thursday. Shake up your week with flavor. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Let's go Sports Bar.
Valid at participating locations while supplies last.